Hey everyone, my name is Nicole Lito, and today we will be discussing balancing equations. So does anyone know what balancing equation means?
It's an equation for a chemical reaction in which the number of atoms for each element in the reaction and the total charge are the same for both reactants and the product.
Yes, that is what it means. So basically, let's put this in layman terms. So basically, we have to do
Dummy terms.
layman terms. So what one side has to equal the other side. That's what balancing means. So that's the goal of these equations that we will be doing. So the first example will be Fe plus Cl2 produces with Fe Cl3. So, what does Fe mean? What does it stand for?
Iron.
What about Cl?
Chlorine.
Yes. So, what is the product?
Iron and chlorine.
Iron chloride, I believe. So, what is the first step that we do? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down our elements on this side.
I got excited, sorry.
We're going to do we're going to do an imaginary line right through the arrow. So we're going to separate this side. So we have one Fe and we have two Cls. On this side we have one Fe and how many Cls?
3.
And we have 3 Cls.
You did that on the other side too.
Okay? So how can we get this to balance each other?
By having another CL.
By having another one.
Or taking
So-
one.
Well, we actually cannot take away any. We can only add to it. So the first one has 2 and the second one has 3. So what number can we do to make, what is a multiple of 2 and 3?
6.
6. So what do we multiply to get 6? 2 times
3.
3. So we're going to put the 2 up here. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. So how many FEs is missing over here?
1.
So 1, so what do we have to multiply it by to get 2?
2.
So we're going to put 2 here. This changes it to 2. We have Cl2 here, and we have 6Cl here. How do we make this balance now?
Multiply by 3.
We're going to multiply by 3, which means 6. So 2 Fe, 3 Cl2s produces 2 FeCl3s. So our Fe's balance out, and so do our 6 Cls. So this equation is now balanced. We're going to do one more, just to explain it one more time. Or does anyone feel comfortable doing it by themselves?
No.
Okay. So the next one we're going to do is Fe plus, what is O?
Oxygen.
So O2 produces Fe2O3. So, what is the first thing we do?
Imaginary line.
We do the imaginary line. And then what else?
Break down our elements.
Okay, so we have, how many Fe's on this side?
1.
So we have 1 Fe. What about O2s?
2 oxygen.
2 oxygen.
So we have 2 oxygen. What about on this side? 2 Fe's.
Iron.
We have 2 Fe's. And how many oxygen?
3.
So how do we now balance this equation?
Balance out.
Add 1 O and 1 iron.
So can we multiply 2 times something to get 3?
Yeah.
2 No. So what's a multiple?
6 again.
6. Okay, so 2 times 6, 2 times 3 is what?
6.
2 times 2 is
4.
Okay. Now on this side, what do we have to multiply here to get 6?
3.
3. So 3 times 2 is 6. And how many FEs are missing from this side versus this side? 3. So how do we get 4 FEs over here?
Multiply by 4.
So 4 FE, 4 times FE equals 4 FE. So are our FEs balanced?
Yep.
Okay, what about our CROs?
Yep.
So this equation is now balanced. There you go, this is balancing equations. There we go. Now we'll cut it out.
I don't know if you're really serious about us doing it alone. But he's doing decent chemistry.
See? I love how these things say low odor and they